Are you tired of working hard but never getting ahead? Dreaming of freedom, yet stuck in traffic, deadlines, and rent cycles? What if we told you that right now, thousands of people are living a different life? A life of freedom, purpose, and prosperity from anywhere in the world. No alarm clocks. No office cubicles. No limits. They're called digital nomads, and they found a way to escape the 9-to-5 and build wealth on their own terms. In this documentary, we uncover their secrets and show you how you can do it too. They are not billionaires. They're not celebrities. They're people like you, or designers, writers, marketers, coaches, coders. Digital nomads are individuals who've traded in the daily grind for a remote, location-free lifestyle. They live in Bali, Lisbon, Medellin, or Chiang Mai. Working from cafés, co-working hubs, or the beach. They've redefined success, and it starts with freedom. So how do they afford it? Simple. They work online. Some have remote jobs. Others run e-commerce stores. Many freelance, consult, or create digital products. They use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Shopify, YouTube, and more. And they've learned one thing. If you can work from a laptop, you can work from anywhere. Imagine starting your day with yoga by the ocean. Then answering emails from a rooftop cafe. Spending afternoons exploring a new city and evenings with a global community of creatives. Digital nomads don't chase weekends, they design their days. They live on their own terms, in places where cost of living is low but quality of life is high. And the best part? It's not a fantasy, it's a choice. Most people spend years stuck in survival mode. But digital nomads shift the equation. They reduce expenses, increase online income, and invest the difference. Over time, that creates financial freedom, the ability to live life without depending on a paycheck. They don't just work for money. They build systems that let money work for them. It's not just about the job. It's about the mindset. Digital nomads value experiences over things. They prioritize growth, adventure, and autonomy. They take calculated risks and see the world as a playground, not a prison. They've realized you don't need more stuff. You need more freedom. The digital nomad dream isn't just for tech geniuses or influencers. If you have a skill, you can freelance. If you have a passion, you can build a brand. If you have a dream, you can chase it. Start by learning an online skill. Pick a remote-friendly career. Cut unnecessary expenses. And test the waters, take your first workation. The first step to freedom is not quitting, it's deciding. If this video inspired you, like it to keep the freedom movement growing. Share it with someone stuck in the 9-to-5 grind. Comment below, I'm ready to live free. And subscribe for more real stories, strategies, and steps toward digital liberation. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.